The what birds? That's what they usually say. What? What's that about what? What's that about? Why are you saying what? Why do you say that all the time? We're not sure what kind of birds these are. Like maybe they're crows and not ravens, and they're hanging out with the ravens and having a really good time. What? Can you say other things? What? Howdy. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. Good bird. I think they're a different kind of bird. What birds? What? Taking pictures of the sun. That's what I'm doing. But it looks really weird. I've never seen anything quite like it. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the still picture photographs will say something. Do you understand what I'm doing? Taking pictures of the sun. What's a picture of the sun? Where are you? Where did you go? Why do you say what all the time? Why do you say what? Why? Why do you say what? Why do you say what? You say other things? What did your parents say? They said what? What? I hear you. What? Oh. What? Oh. It's another day full of question marks, isn't it? I don't know what's going on. And the what birds don't know either. They just keep saying, what? 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 And I keep wondering the same thing. It's good to be curious, though. It's one of the most engaging characteristics. Oh, hello, son. It's one of the most engaging characteristics any being can ever have, I feel. I heard that. You said what? Such a beautiful flyer you are. Such a beautiful bird. That's you. Beautiful, beautiful raven bird. Yeah, that's you. Such a beautiful bird. Wow. Oh, there you go. So beautiful. I heard that. I heard that too. there. Was that? Who was that? So that's when those waters come on right there. The water came on. Wow, look at that.